guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Celine, again. I'm wearing a brush. What? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Celine, and yes, today I'm gonna do a requested video. I think they nag-request ani before, and then I said nag-request now. So finally, I'm doing this video, and this is the 500 makeup challenge. And I think murag tanan YouTubers nakahimo na din na challenge. So actually guys, it's really hard and very challenging gini nga challenge ako kay 500 and na yung mga makeup mo gusto na ko paliton pero di na ako mapalit kay out of budget. But yes, muning mga napalit na ako nga ni sako siya mga 457 something. I will So guys, the first one that I got kaning BB cream sa Daiso. This is only for 88 pesos, diba? It's 88 pesos sa Daiso, and I heard some I watched some reviews about this, and they said it's not bad for the price. So let's try that. So 88 pesos. So akong gikuan 88 pesos. And I got the other makeup sa BQ sa department store sa cosmetic dati. So I got a powder. I got a powder because you really need a powder kung mag-makeup ka, okay, to set your everything, So this is 100 pesos. So it's 188 now. And then the next one is eyeshadow. Oh, actually, sorry guys, this is Careline Oil Control because I'm oily. So, I need that. And then, I really like this one. So, ako siyang gipalit. Okay, and also, it's only 150. And then, I said, oh, thank God. It's sulod sa akong budget. Plus, gusto pa na ako siya paliton. So, 150. So, nanatay 338. Then, I got some kanang para sa kilay and ever. Mura na akong napalit kilay para dalhin na lang pod sa unsay tawagan na, I don't know. But muna siya ever bilena, just eye pencil o para sa eyes, ni siya, pero gamitin ako siya sa pagkilay because I really want to buy the gel, but it's so expensive. It's 150 and out of budget na kaisanan because hindi mo ko kilay goes kay ano naman ko, gel naman ko. But yes, wa ko'y mabuhat. This is 45 pesos. So 45 pesos, so nasa 383. So the next one is you need a Kwanzaa cheeks, eye blush, then lipstick. So I got this lip what we call this, lip and cheeks lip and cheek tint. I don't know. Basta mo na siya ko gamiton nimo sa sa imong murag blush nimo, then as lipsticks na lang, lipstick na sad. So yes, so duha na siya. So kanina lang akong gikuha. This is 75 pesos. So 458. So napakoy 42 nga sobra. So yes, para sa pliti or whatever. So yes, I have nakaspasok sa budget. Let's try if I can work it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go to the video and the challenge. Hindi ko siya match sa akong skin tone. It's too light for me. Ito lang siya i-blend sa akong kamot na akong gamit, guys. The next one, atong ikuha na akong kilay. Oh my God! I don't even have a brush. Na makuha na nito. Do kilay goals, so that's the best I can do. Sorry. Okay, muna akong kilay. I don't know what to do. And after that, after sa kilay, I'm gonna have this Ever Belena eyeshadow palette brown. Ooh, it's nice packaging. Nice packaging, guys. I like that. Napagid sila applicator. So, oh, nice sa amin. I like that. One is akong powder. Ano siya po na itong powder. Set lang ito sa powder. I love it. Na siya mirror, guys. It's Careline. The shade Tan. Because I'm tan. Let's see. Oh! Oh! Look at that. Oh my god. Too white. Mas light pa ni siya kaysa sa akong kuan. Yung foundation. Then the shade is done already. Know how to use this one, but I'll try my best. This is the lip tint Everbelena. So ito siyang ibutang sa atong cheeks. Oh my god. Then what we're gonna do? Oh my god. I don't want to post this video at all, but nabuhat naman din ako siya. This is epic fail video. Like, look at my face. It's too white. And Mary Ann is there. Nisulod siya. Tanawa ko face. Oh my god. This is a fail video. Wait lang, tara. But yes. Look at my face. That will be the end of this video. I hope you like it, even I don't like it, because look at my face. This is too embarrassing. Like, let me know what you think. I think siguro sa akong mga products nga napalit, and I just can't use makeup nga basta. My god, I don't know what to say, but I think ang nakaingon mo ng fail nga video kay kaning Careline nga tan. But let me know what you think. This is my fail video. I'm still gonna edit this one because this is a requested video, and but yes, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. I love you. Bye. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. And this is Mary Ann.